What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going to be unboxing my Poco F1 Graphite Black. Well, if you're wondering, Dewang, you just bought Note 9. Yes, I spent over 1 lakh rupees in 2 weeks, and I know that's dumb, but I'm 17, I can't do this shit. Next year my mom wouldn't let me do it. So yeah, let's just live in the moment. So I wasn't actually looking forward to buy this phone because there were some issues with this thing because it looks ugly from front. I haven't actually seen a Poco F1. Yes, not at all. I haven't even seen Mi 8 in real life. Of course, it's in China. So yeah, this would be the first time I will see it in flesh, just like my OnePlus 6, because I was one of the first to buy it in the city. And literally big ups to Flipkart Plus, or I guess Flipkart I should, cause the delivery time was mind blowing. I literally grabbed it on 11:59 yesterday, the September 5th flash sale, and literally it arrived today, September 6th, on almost 11 am, and that's completely fast cause where I live is almost like 4.5 hours away from Mumbai, and literally it takes almost half a week for things to get over here because of the bad roads and stuff. But this thing arrived within 22 hours, which is just mind blowing. So yeah, let's get it unboxing. I'm extremely pumped because with Note 9 I actually saw a Note 9 ocean blue just a day before I got my midnight black. So yeah, my excitement was completely killed, but let's just unbox. I'm pumped because this phone had quite a lot of issues because it looks a bit weird, and then again some people were actually facing like 1440 hours before you can unlock the device, which is 2 months. And the great news is I will be actually unlocking my Redmi Note 5 Pro today. Yes, today I complete my 360 hours for it, and then again I just want to test out MIUI 10 on this thing because it's as fast as a Mi 8, but still OnePlus 6 is a champ. There is nothing faster than OnePlus 6. Okay, there you go. There's the box. Pretty nice packaging. The packaging is a bit of a MI, but still nice flavor to it. I hope I'm showing you into the camera because literally the thing with the Note 9 unboxing was I forgot to show you the accessories. I just lifted up the phone and the unboxing was done because I wanted to watch the Logan Paul versus KSI match. Well, it was a draw, but still I wanted to watch it, so I just kind of forgot to show you the accessories like the replaceable pins and stuff. But then again, box looks promising. But yeah, sorry for my titties. Those are called pecs. Okay, the box is a bit smashed. Again, it matches my hoodie. I literally didn't knew that. Then again, here is the cover. I didn't go with the blue color because the camera has red rings, and that didn't just please me. So here you go. Here is my Graphite Black. And of course, I'm not buying the Kevlar. I don't want that. I just want to make videos with this thing. This doesn't feel plastic. What the fuck? This feels like my Redmi Note 3. Yes. This doesn't feel plastic. Even harder than Redmi Note 3. Where is my OnePlus 6? Here is side-by-side comparison. Both look extremely beautiful. I mean, the OnePlus 6 is not just a performance phone now. It's a completely like premium phone with the glass back and stuff. I really want to test that front scanning. Then again, the LCD panel, it's pretty dark. As you can see in my DSLR, it's completely black. Then let's just take a look at the accessories. The charger is pretty much the same. I hope it's 5 watts at 2 amps. No, it's a 5 watts at 3 amps. Wow, pretty good. It also gets 9 watts at 2 amps or 12 watts at 1.5 amps. Well, I dropped out of the college. I don't understand that much. But yeah, the phone is booted pretty quick and you just get USB Type-C with it. So here you go, setup complete, loading apps. I didn't know that was a thing in Android 8.1. They just boot up my OnePlus 6 here too. Again, I just can't argue at this price point that the bottom bezel is just double the OnePlus 6, like you can see right now. So here you go. Here is the UI. It's MIUI 9. It looks like AOSP, I know, but looks pretty promising. I mean, it's quick. Let's just open settings app. 1, 2, 3. So yeah, we have to surely check it with MIUI 10, and that's pretty much it for the unboxing of my Poco F1. I hope you guys enjoyed, and be sure to subscribe because I would be uploading a shit ton of things with this phone because I have so many things planned. Because by stock it has camera API and stuff, and then again Snapdragon 845. There is a world of things that you can do with it, and see you in the next one. Peace.